Hello and welcome to BIDMAS. We're continuing going through the summer of 2024 Foundation GCSE maths papers, and obviously these aren't released publicly, but I'm going to do some questions in the style of some of the questions. So please do look at other videos on the channel that looked at earlier questions. So here we go. One of the questions on functions. We have a function machine where the input multiplied by 3, then added to 5, and that gives you the output. So question 1 is, what is the output if the input is 4? Well, you put 4 into that. So you do 4 times 3, which gives you 12. You get 12 at that stage, and then you add 5. And so your output would be 17. So it's just going through the different stages of the function. The second question says the output is 26, and you've got to work out the input. So in this case, we're actually going to go backwards. So we're going to subtract 5 from 26, and we get 21. And then we're going to divide by 3. So doing the opposite stage of each of those, and we'll get 7. So 17 for this one. Let's check that again. So 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. Added to 5 is 17. This one, 26 subtract 5 is 21. Divide by 3. Okay, so just an example of functions. Another question involving BIDMAS and signs and all our operations. So it's -8 times -3. So let's do the numbers first. 8 times 3 is 24. Now look at the signs. A negative times a negative is positive. I don't need to write that positive because it's assumed positive if there's no sign, but that's 24. And then 2 cubed. It's 2 times 2 times 2. And it's 8. It's a non-calculator paper, so I can't check that on a calculator during an exam. And now we have to add brackets to make this statement correct. Oh, sorry, I haven't put the answer there. So it's 20 divided by 2 plus 3 minus 1. So if I did that without brackets, I would think I'd need to do 20 divided by 2 and end up adding 3 and then subtracting 2. But if I include brackets, it would change it. So let's watch how this works, because I want to add some brackets to make it 3. So I want to add brackets to make this statement correct, because currently, if I just go by the order of BIDMAS, I'm going to get 10 plus 3 minus 1, which is 12. So that's not correct to equal 3. But if I add brackets there, then according to the laws of BIDMAS, I must do what's in the brackets first. I must add those two together. So I have to do 20 divided by 5, which is 4, and then subtract that 1 and get 3. So the brackets had to be put there. Otherwise, I would have had to do 20 divided by 2, which would have been 10, and that one. So the brackets go there. Okay, there we go. That's some examples of functions and BIDMAS in a maths GCSE exam. Good luck with your maths. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.